Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I posted a makeup related video, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm actually going to be showing you guys this new palette that I bought. I've actually seen this all over Instagram, and so I decided to finally try it myself. I wanted to go ahead and just talk to you guys about it. I am wearing it on my eyelids, so I wanted to show you guys how it performed for me. So I did add a clip in here of me actually applying the glitter on my eyelids if you guys want to stick around and see that. But just off the bat, I wanted to say, so I got this I bought this for $30 on the Spoiled Cosmetics website. It came in this package right here. And off the bat, when I opened it, it does seem really cheap packaging. The back was kind of damaged like this. And then when you open it, there is no mirror, it just says Spoiled. And then this is the palette itself. And let me tell you, it is stunning in person. It is so pretty. If you love glitter, you'll probably love this palette. And honestly, even the camera doesn't do it justice, but this is, how many eyeshadows on here? Let me see, 3, 6, 6, 12, 18. There's 24 eyeshadows in this palette. Again, I paid $30 for it. I did have to pay shipping and handling, so let's say like 35 or something like that. I do believe that's a really good price for all of the shades or all the pigments that you're getting in this palette. I personally had to apply glitter glue with this because at the end of the day, this is glitter. It's glitter that's pressed into a pan, but once you pick it up, it will, and let me pick up so I can just show you guys. So once you pick it up, you like maybe even try to swatch it, it'll perform like a glitter would. Like it's not gonna give you like a really pretty swatch or anything like that, because glitter won't do that. So just keep that in mind. I will obviously not be swatching these or anything like that, but I did want to show you guys me using this palette. If you guys want to see me using this palette and then my final thoughts, then just keep on watching. So I went ahead and did my brows and my eyeshadow already. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and so I thought I would go ahead and start recording. I just have like a little bit of like brown, like a mauve purple color on the outer crease, and so let me zoom out actually. Oh no, not that way. So this is the palette, and I am gonna go out in a little bit, so I don't want to do like a crazy green, red, blue. So I'm gonna stick into like the pink, like pink champagne colors. I don't know that I want to take it like all the way out here. I just really want it to be kind of more on the inner corner and the center. So I'm just distributing the rest. I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and I got a little bit of concealer like right here on the outer end, you can tell, and I can just put like a little bit of shadow there and cover it up. No biggie. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this NYX glitter primer. Any glitter primer obviously will do. I'm just gonna put some on this little thing right here. I've actually been like loving this. I ordered this on Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush again, and I'm just gonna pick up some of that glitter primer, and I'm just gonna go over top of the concealer that I already applied. And I already have some glitter there, but it's alright. So now that it's down, I'm going to go ahead and use this. That way it really picks up that pigment. So I will go ahead and go back and blend this out, but for now I'm going to go ahead and move on to this side, cut it, put the glitter on, and then I will finish the eye look and then finish my makeup and then come back and tell you my final thoughts. So let me go ahead and cut the crease on my other eye. And I'm gonna go ahead and just go right over the concealer and go ahead, and I'm actually now kind of scooping out the glitter versus like trying to press on it. That way I can pick up more Oh, see, and that was too much. You see that on my eyelid? Oh, not cute. Yeah, but that definitely picked up way more. It is a much better technique, so. So this is a Lorac Unzipped palette, which is this shade right here is what I did, and I just added some here where the glitter meets the eyeshadow. That way it doesn't look too harsh. But I started to pick up some of the glitter excuse me, on this MAC 239. Usually you wouldn't gravitate, or I wouldn't gravitate towards this to pick up glitter, but I actually did it last time that I wore a glitter cut crease, and I actually really liked it, so I thought I would try it with this. So I went ahead and added some to this eye right here. Let me move this over. I added some to this eye right here, and it actually even like shows the color a little bit better than this side, so I'll kind of show you right now what I'm talking about. Okay, so again, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this, and I'm gonna pick up this eyeshadow, and all I'm doing is I'm just really just kind of pressing it and grabbing a little bit like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some, just so you can see what I'm talking about. Like just on top, over top, and you can, I mean, I'm able to see how the glitter just looks more vibrant. Yeah, so I guess it's just able to pick up a little bit of the different specs better with this brush, and I actually really like it. So I'm trying to go crazy because it's starting to be like a lot. And that's when my eyelid starts to really crease. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my camera and then come back once I am all finished. Alright, so I'm all done with my makeup, and so I did want to show you guys how, like right here, if you can tell my lashes in the way, let me move it. There's like a really good area of where the glitter really just separated. I didn't really do it on the other side, but I think that, I don't know if it's the glitter or it's the glitter glue. I've honestly used that glitter glue before. It was really, really easy to use because, again, it is pressed into the palette, so it doesn't get all messy, it doesn't get everywhere. I honestly don't really notice much of a difference between this one and the NYX glitter. As far as like if it's chunky or like the pieces of glitter are bigger or not, I don't really notice anything. But the only downfall was the fact that it did kind of separate in that area. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more just now before I leave. And actually, let me just do that right now. Alright, I went ahead and fixed it and just added some more glitter because it was actually really, really bothering me. So overall, it's not super messy to use. I did have like a little bit of specks of glitter that it kind of got on my outer V, but I honestly have never been able to get a glitter look done without getting like a couple of specks of glitter on the other sides of my eye. Sometimes I just get like a clean brush and I'll try to just take off that glitter, but a lot of times it'll just get all over my face, so I tend to just leave it alone. I actually really, really like how this look came out. So would I repurchase this palette? I actually probably would, because like I said, it's a really good deal. You're getting 24, did I say 24? 24 glitters for 30 bucks, and that's actually really not bad at all for glitter pigments. And you actually get a lot of colors, and a lot of them do look similar though. Like for example, like this one and this one look similar, and they're not exactly the same. This one and this one look really similar. Again, they're not exactly the same. This one and this one. So then again, you can only do so many colors for glitter, so maybe that's why they're so similar. But yeah, I actually really like this. I'm gonna go ahead and keep using this palette. If you guys want to see any other looks using this palette, or a certain glitter in this palette, specific eyeshadow look, or more in detailed tutorial of my eye makeup, let me know. But I'm probably gonna keep playing with this palette, and I'll post pictures on my Instagram when I do, so make sure you are following me. I'll put my Instagram right here, but it is just Portillo _ Vanessa. Vanessa _ Portillo is my Snapchat. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.